Hello and welcome back to Cosname Media. Today we are going to learn how you can screenshot on your PC or your laptop. We are going to learn 3 types of screenshot, so stay tuned. So the first one is just click Shift Alt and just S, and you can see that the screenshot was made successfully. And to save it, just double click on it and just save it. You can just rename your screenshot PNG. For me, I'm going to rename it like that. Also, you can copy using this icon here like that. Now your image is copied. For the next thing, just click the same, and we are going to, and you can see here we have 3 other types of screenshot. For the first one, that is full screen, and you can see it have done a great job. To save it like we have done earlier, just save it. For the other form of screenshot is screenshotting a part of the screen. Like for example, I'm going to screenshot this file manager only, and you can see that it have been screenshot successfully. We are going to save it using that icon. You can rename it. For me, I'm going to keep things simple, just like that. And if you are wondering that do error occur, I'm happy to inform you that you can receive error from time to time, but it is an error of opening the file that you have saved, just like this one. So if you like this video, remember to like, comment, tell us your thoughts in the comment section, and also remember to subscribe. Till next time, bye.